Is the most hyped up keyboard of 2024 still relevant in 2026? In this channel, I share my workflow and explore productive gadgets. You can find more keyboards and gadget reviews in this channel. The box comes with an instruction card, a manual, the well-covered keyboard with 2.4 GHz dongle, here a few extra switches, a keycap puller, a 150cm USB Type-C to USB-A cable. The acrylic cover is of decent quality. Here we have the dimensions of this model that actually has good rubberized grip base with two level rubberized risers, level 1 of 0.3 cm and level 2 of 1.3 cm. That's common. The outer plastic build feels premium with 1016 gram weight. The software has similar coding and UI that most of the companies offer. Expect all the common options with full perky RGB customization with this 75% south-facing RGB mechanical keyboard. If you really care about the input lags, then the keyboard has 1000 Hz polling rate on wired and 2.4 GHz dongle connection, whereas 125 Hz on Bluetooth 5.0 connection that supports up to 3 devices simultaneously. The 4000 mAh battery lasts for around 250 hours with lights off and around 17 hours with full lights on. It's one of the most thocky sounding keyboard under this budget that I have tried, as the cascade mounted build has pre-looped linear Reaper switches covered with double shot PBT keycaps. Here's a quick sound test of Aula F75 Reaper Switches keyboard. I would say the pros of this keyboard are the build quality and the sound, whereas the cons are the buggy software and only 17 hours of backup in RGB on mode. So is the Aula F75 still relevant in 2026 under this budget? Comment down your opinions. Also, the Greywood Switches keyboard sound less thocky. Watch its full tutorial from here, and thanks for watching.